Hey my loves, and welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see from the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I plug and customize my frontal wigs. So today I have this wig from PerfectLaceWig.com. So I'm going to have all the information about this wig that you need to know in the description box down below, so you guys go check that out. And I'm just going to give you guys a little overview of, what's going on right now. And the hair, it looks so pretty and it's soft. But when it comes to plucking, you do have to do a little bit of work. But hopefully this video helps you guys out a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye. Okay, you guys, getting right into this video. As I said, this hair is from PerfectLaceWig.com, and I'm just showing you the box and what comes in it, which is a nude cap, an elastic band with combs in case you want a little bit extra security, and as well as a brochure showing you how to take care of the hair, the different types of information you need to know about wigs, and also the information about the hair. So the hair item is 360LW39 in 22 inches, natural, and 150% density. Now on to show you the hair right out of the box. The hair is really long and voluptuous. You can see the shine and the luster on the hair right off the bat. And I'm just going to show you the inside construction of the cap. The wig comes with 4 combs, 3 in the front and 1 in the back, and also 2 adjustable straps. This hairline is also already plucked in a natural state. Now it is not plucked to where it looks natural, but it is plucked to where it's basically giving you a guideline. Now I'm just going to be spraying the hair with some water, basically showing you guys that this is all it takes to show those curls right away. All it takes to get this hair curly is water. So that's pretty good for curly hair, you guys. First, with all of my wigs, I make sure to cut off any lace that is on the back of the wig. But since this is a 360 wig, I start at the over seam on the side of the wig and cut that off towards the back, so I don't have to worry about that once I start installing the wig. So I'm going to be showing you guys what the wig looks like on my head. I do suggest taking this step before you do any plucking to see how the wig fits on your head and where you want to actually pluck the hairline at. I know a lot of YouTubers actually use a mannequin head to pluck their wigs, but for me, I like to pluck my wigs on my head so I can see what I like for my head. If I have it on a mannequin, I won't really get to see where I want to take more hair out or where I want to leave hair at. What I like to use is some metal tweezers. I know I used to use my fingers to pluck, but now I use tweezers because it gets the little bitty hairs instead of too much hair. I also take a rat tooth comb and part the hair right behind the hairline. This is a great method for beginners to use because if you pluck too much, you'll have hair to hide it, and it'll also give you room to pluck as little and as much hair as you would like. I also use a spray bottle of water just to lay down any hairs that is sticking up, because you want the hair to be laying down so you can see the exact amount of hair you want to take out, and again the exact amount of hair you want to leave in. I take my time when I pluck my hair as well, just to make sure that I'm not plucking too much, because it's better to have more hair than to have bald spots. And do it in random spots. Don't just stay in one spot and pluck a little bit in one spot, move to a random spot somewhere else and pluck there. That'll give a realistic natural hairline. Also, when I pluck my frontals, I make sure to do a little bit at a time and don't focus on a specific small area. I just do one side at a time, and as I'm plucking a little at a time, I'm pulling the hairline, smoothing it back just to see if I need to pluck more or just need to move on. Now usually I smooth all the hair back like I'm doing now and pluck it from behind the hairline like this instead of parting it. Once you guys get used to plucking frontals this is probably the method you'll use. The reason I smooth all the hair back now and go behind the hairline is so I can focus on more than one spot at once. I don't want to pluck specifically right behind the hairline. I want to pluck further back than that because most hairlines aren't very thick right there at the tip. It like graduates into a lot of hair, if that makes sense. I hope it does. The way I plucked this wig this time is just in case I didn't want to have baby hair with the wig. I can just smooth back the hair all together and leave the baby hair out. But of course, you guys know I went with baby hair. So I'm moving on to the unplugged side. I did give you guys a little preview of what the plucked side and unplugged side looks like. For this side, I'm not going to pluck as much, and you guys will see what that side looks like as well. So it all depends on what you guys want your hairline to look like. Do you want it to look a little bit thinner? Do you want it full? Do you want it in the middle? It all depends on you. I hope I'm not leaving any specifics out in this video. If I am, you guys definitely ask me questions in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you. But yeah, this is pretty simple. I know it looks hard, but it's not. It's just time consuming and you have to be patient. So take your time, pluck a little bit of hair at a time, and make sure you pull the hair back and peek at it, look and see if it's much as you want to pluck. And yeah, that's pretty much it to plucking frontals, you guys. Now we're going to be moving on to my next favorite part of wigs, and that is the baby hair. So what I'm doing is just go ahead and get my part together. I am going to pluck a little bit of the part, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig. I'm not going to be showing you guys how I applied the wig, but I have plenty of videos of me applying the wig. I did apply it with Got To Be Glued gel. So I didn't glue this wig down. I just put a little gel on it and moved on to the baby hair. And I did show you guys all the hair that came out with plucking this frontal. It's going to be a lot, yes. Look at how this hair is just fluffed out. Like, come on now, come on. Okay, I want to show you guys the baby hair. I already did one side off camera, and I'm showing you what it would look like without baby hair, no baby hair. So what I'm going to be doing is using some water as well as Got To Be Glued gel. I don't like to use a lot of gel on my baby hair, but I do use a little bit to secure it. So what I'm doing first is just brushing down what I want to use as baby hair with water. So that's just going to get it in place and mold it. And once I get the baby hair in place, however long that takes, it does take a while for me, then I apply a little bit of gel. So I'm just going to let you guys watch me kind of figure out eventually how to do, or how I want to do the baby hair. It does take me a while to do baby hair, but once I have the baby hair set, I don't have to do my baby hair over. So anytime I wear that specific wig, the baby hairs are still intact. So that's the best part of doing the baby hairs the first time around. All I do, you guys, is just brush the baby hair down and swoop it back with my finger as well as an edge brush. So that's pretty much all I do, and I make sure the hair is even, if that's making sense. I'm brushing it till it's even and making sure it's not clumped up. So this is me right now applying a little bit of Got To Be gel. I already molded it down with water. The gel is just going to secure the back of the baby hair down in place and smoothing the rest of the hair down. So this is kind of how I wanted this baby hair to lay. You know, I'm a perfectionist, so I had to go back, you know, smooth it out a little bit. But from there, I'm going to move on into the next part of the baby hair I want to do, and then I will be done, and I'm going to showcase how it turned out. So you guys will let me know if this tutorial is informative, if it helped you a little bit. Now y'all can do as little baby hair as you want, or you can do more than what I'm doing, but y'all know I love me some baby hair, and this is how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, Mona loves.